Today I'm going to show you how I use my percolator. Do a quick little product review. This is the Farberware, smaller of the two. I think this is the 8 cup. It actually will say inside, I can't film it, but this is the 8 cup percolator. I also have the big one, the 12 at home, but it's too big for 2 people. So this is how I put it together. So first thing I'm going to do is put some of this coffee. And if you, all right, sorry about the birds. It's early in the morning here, and we are camping. Put in the comments below what your favorite coffee is. Anyway, I'm going to put that coffee in here. The trick is not to get any in this hole, and the trick is not to get any in this hole. So I'm going to do that now. So I fill this, there's maybe a ½ inch left there, right? And I'm going to make 8 cups of coffee. So it might be a little mild, but that's the way my wife likes it. And again, no coffee in there. And when I do this, right, this goes on top of there, and then this goes on here. I have to fill this with water first, but that's pretty much how it goes in, right? So let me just go put some water in here. I'm not going to film that, so I'll be right back. I don't think you can see it, but there is in here, you won't be able to see it, but it does say 8 there, and I'm a little bit just below the 8 line, so I probably have this for 7 cups, right? Just a couple of things about this guy. He's really well made. I mean, obviously stainless steel, hard plastic handle. There really isn't a whole lot to say. I mean, how do you do a product review for a product that has stood up to the test of time for like forever? So I'm just going to put this back down here and get on with making my coffee before my wife kicks my ass. So again, right, I'm going to put this guy in here, and I'm going to pop this guy on there, and then bring over our single burner Coleman. Get that going, and away we go. So we are on our way. So I usually wait for it to start percolating, and it gets clear here, and then it'll start to turn color and get darker and darker. As soon as I see that first indication of percolation, you know, you see and I'll film it obviously, but this will be clear. I usually wait about 7 minutes or so, and then I may have read that somewhere, I'm not really sure, but that's how I do it. And so now we're going to wait for our coffee. I keep this on as high as I possibly can. So my final thoughts on the Farberware, I've been calling it Farberware, and I apologize. Farberware 5124 Classic Yosemite Stainless Steel Coffee Percolator, 8 cups silver. My final thoughts. It's really made very, very well. Stainless steel. It's classic coffee design. The coffee tastes really good. I mean, super good. I've been raised on K-cups, and boy, is my world being rocked once I started percolating my coffee. The top piece is glass. In the video, my glass was a little bit loose, but I just tightened it down. It's dishwasher safe. I usually just rinse mine, a little soap and water, and that's the end of that. Easy to use, and great tasting coffee. So I will put a link in the description below. And you too can start enjoying really good coffee during your camping trips. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, you want more product reviews, or enjoy our camping trips, our scuba diving trips, and our dogs barking, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you can be annoyed every time we come out with a new video. Thanks again. Stu Beans out.